So if you're a content creator, blogger, or website owner, you know how important it is to ensure that your content is original. And with AI-generated text becoming more sophisticated, it's harder than ever to tell what's human-written and what's machine-generated. That's where Originality AI comes in. It scans your content and tells you with confidence whether it was written by a human or generated using AI. It works with all major AI models, and today I'm going to show you how the Originality AI WordPress plugin makes AI detection easier than ever right from your WordPress dashboard. And real quick before we get started, if you get any value out of this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Helps me bring you more resources, and it keeps you up to date with all of the AI, web, and tech trends happening throughout the year. But either way, thank you so much for all your support. All right, with that being said, let's get started. All right, if you haven't done so already, you'll need to install the Originality AI plugin on your WordPress website or blog. And to do that from your WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Then from the plugin library in the search bar in the upper right corner of the screen, search for Originality AI. And it should be the first one listed in the search results. Then click the Install button. And once installed, click the Activate button. And this will officially install and activate the free version of the Originality AI plugin on your WordPress site. However, in the spirit of complete transparency, I've upgraded to a Pro Originality AI paid plan, so I'll have more monthly credits and features than if you're using the free version of the plugin, just FYI. And I'll also show you how to upgrade a little later on in the video. Next, you'll need to create an Originality AI account if you don't have one already. Towards the top of the screen, there should be a link that says click here to go to plugin settings. You can click that or simply hover your mouse over settings on the left-hand sidebar menu and click on Originality AI. Both will take you to the plugin's settings page where you can create your Originality AI account. So from here, click the sign up link. And you can either enter an email address and manually create your password or sign in via a Google account. I'm going to connect my Google account, so I'll click the Continue with Google button. And once connected, you'll be taken to your Originality AI account dashboard. This is separate from your WordPress dashboard, but here you'll have a more hands-on approach to using the plugin and managing your Originality AI account. Now, we're still going to use the plugin via my WordPress site, but this separate dashboard also allows you to perform content scans and much more. And we'll revisit this dashboard a little later on in the tutorial, but next, let's head back to WordPress and connect the plugin. So once you've created your Originality AI account, you'll need to log in and connect via the plugin settings in WordPress. And I should point out that I created my Originality AI account through my Google account, so I just entered my Google email address and password here. But if you did the same and you're having trouble logging in, just click the Forgot Password link and reset your password. Then after you've entered the username and password, click the Connect button, and that will log you into your Originality AI account via WordPress and give you access to the plugin dashboard and settings here within the back end of your WordPress site. All right, next, let's use the plugin to detect AI-generated content. So you have a few ways to actually use this plugin to scan your content. One way is within the WordPress editor in the back end of your blog posts. So if we head to our posts menu, and you can get there in the sidebar menu on the left-hand side of the screen by hovering your mouse over posts and clicking on all posts. And after you've installed and activated the plugin, you should see a new Originality AI column here. This is like a quick view of your post stats where once scanned, it'll show the results, and you can also run scans here as well, which we'll do a little later on. But first, let me show you how to scan blog content in the WordPress editor. So first, find the post you want to scan and open the editor by hovering your mouse over the post title and clicking on Edit. This opens the WordPress editor. Then on the right-hand side of the screen under the post and block settings, you'll see the Originality AI tab. It should be open, but if not, just click on it to display the configuration settings. From here, it's super simple. First, select the model that you want to use for the scan, and you have 3 to choose from. First is the Lite model. This is designed for accuracy with low false positive rates, less than 1%, and this model is best suited for academia and other use cases where minimizing false positives is crucial. Next is Turbo 3.0 model, and this is the most robust AI detection model, offering 99% plus accuracy with a false positive rate of less than 3%. This model is best for organizations and individuals with a strict no AI content policy. And finally, there's the multi-language model. This is built for detecting AI-generated content across 15 different languages, making it ideal for global content publishers and multilingual websites. Each model is tailored to different needs, ensuring accurate and reliable AI detection for various content strategies. So once you've selected your model, go ahead and click the Start New Scan button, and the plugin gets to work scanning the content. And even though I'm using the Lite model, it finishes the scan pretty quickly and gives me the results right here, stating that this post is likely AI with 100% confidence, which is absolutely correct because I used ChatGPT to generate these posts for the demo. Then if you look towards the bottom of the results, you can copy a link and share the results, helpful for teams or client work. And then if you click the View Scan link, it'll take you to your Originality AI dashboard where you can get a more in-depth and hands-on review of your results. And since we're here, let me show you around really quick. So at the top of the interface, you can see the overall AI detection score, which this particular scan indicated a 100% confidence level that the content was AI generated. Then below that, the AI check panel allows you to toggle between different detection models such as Lite 1.0, which was selected in this case. Additionally, next to that, there are other content verification tools, including plagiarism check, fact checking, readability analysis, grammar check, and content optimization. These are available but not checked in this scan, and we'll use some of them in just a bit. Then in the main content area, the detected AI-generated text is highlighted in red, making it easy to see which parts of the document were flagged. Moving to the right side panel, this provides a summary of the AI detection results, explaining the confidence level and offering guidance on interpreting the scores. A false positive reporting option is also available, allowing you to submit feedback if you believe the scan incorrectly classified human written content as AI generated. Then below that, you'll see a color-coded legend. This helps you understand the likelihood that specific sections of text were AI generated, ranging from 50% confidence to 100% confidence. There's also an edit mode that you can enable by flipping this switch on, and this allows you to seamlessly transition from reviewing AI detection results to actively editing your content. And when the edit mode toggle is on, the scanned text becomes fully editable within the platform and transforming the interface into a built-in text editor. This means you can make direct modifications, rewrite flagged sections, or refine your content to improve originality without having to switch between different tools. And in this mode, standard text formatting options become available, including bold, italics, underline, bullet points, and text alignment tools, making it easy to adjust and structure your content as needed. And then once your edits are complete, you can quickly rescan the text by clicking the scan button, allowing you to see updated AI detection results in real time. This feature is particularly useful if you want to improve originality scores and ensure that your work meets the authenticity standards without leaving the Originality AI platform. And speaking of that, if you recall, there are additional scans that you can perform in addition to the AI check. For example, you can fact check the content to ensure its accuracy and truthfulness. Just check that box and then click the scan button, and in a few moments you'll get the results. Now, this took a little longer than the AI check, about 30 seconds, so let me fast forward a bit to see the final results. And looks like this content is obviously still AI generated, but if you look towards the top of the screen, we have this additional fact check score of 100%, stating that the content is potentially true. So at least we know that ChatGPT was being honest when it wrote this post. Either way, this editor is a great tool when it comes to analyzing and editing your content to ensure accuracy. I highly recommend using it as you're scanning and creating content. I should also point out that the Originality AI plugin does more than just blog post scans. You can scan entire websites as well. Just hover your mouse over the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen, and this opens the menu where there is a website tab. And from here, you can perform scans on entire websites. Now, keep in mind that this is a premium feature for paid subscribers. Okay, back at WordPress. Another way to access your scan results is by opening the plugin settings by hovering your mouse over settings in the sidebar and clicking on Originality AI. And once you've performed some scans, you'll be able to monitor the results here as well. Just another way to stay on top of your content. Additionally, if you click the results button, you'll be taken back to your Originality AI dashboard and editor for that particular post. Finally, if we head back to WordPress, you can also run AI check scans within the posts page in your WordPress dashboard. From the Originality AI column, click the Start New Scan link next to the post that you want to scan, and the plugin performs the scan right there. Pretty handy if you just need to quickly scan posts for AI-generated content. All right, so that's going to do it for the tutorial. As I mentioned in the intro, I was using the Pro version of the plugin, which I highly recommend getting. So if you're interested, here are the pricing and plans offered. If you're thinking about upgrading to a paid plan, which I highly recommend doing, you can review the different subscriptions from your Originality AI dashboard. Hover your mouse over the gear icon in the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. Then select Subscription, and this will take you to the different plans offered. Currently there are two, Pro and Enterprise. They have month-to-month plans as well as annual subscriptions, both offering a ton more monthly credits to perform your scans, additional features, and priority support. I purchased the Pro plan and I'm really happy with the plugin. So that's how the Originality AI WordPress plugin helps you detect AI-generated content, maintain originality, and keep your site's content high quality. And whether you're a blogger, content marketer, editor, or business owner, this tool makes it easy to scan, edit, and verify your content with just a few clicks. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these two videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.